2006 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, air conditioning, front wheel drive, cruise control, CD player, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.